our rocks are not just any rocks. They're from the Ozark Mountains, where all the fun happens. And all the healing. Natural healing. Yeah. Rocks. There's a lot more to them than you ever thought. Also, they're great conversation pieces, our rocks, because they're very unique. Can't be found just anywhere. Our rocks are divinely made and birthed from Gaia. Yes, ancient ones. These aren't new rocks, the ancient rocks. And crystals and fossils. And artifacts. Don't forget the artifacts. Like the very first sliced piece of bread. Yeah. Far out separate things. Slash rocks off.